Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Linteater dryer vent cleaning kit is probably one of the most important purchases you can make for your home's safety and efficiency. This kit not only helps you clean your dryer vent thoroughly but also guides you through the process, ensuring you do it correctly, preventing potential fire hazards and saving you money on energy bills. This video will show you exactly how to use the Linteater kit and why it's a top choice for effective dryer vent maintenance. Number 5. Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. This dryer vent cleaner kit makes cleaning your dryer vent easy. It removes years of lint buildup, improving efficiency and safety. It's suitable for most dryer types, just check the dimensions before purchasing. The flexible vacuum hose is perfect for hard-to-reach areas behind appliances. For best results in dryer vents, insert it slowly to reach as far as possible. A vacuum with strong suction is recommended. This dryer vent hose adapter works with most vacuum cleaners. It's easy to assemble and use. Please note, it's not compatible with Dyson or cordless vacuums. The extra long brush is designed for cleaning trapped lint in your dryer and coils behind your refrigerator. Loosen lint with the brush before vacuuming for best results. Always clean the lint trap after each use to minimize lint buildup in the vent. Regular vent cleaning prevents excessive buildup and potential fire hazards. What we like? It boasts a flexible design perfect for hard-to-reach areas. If you need to clean behind appliances or have oddly shaped vents, this is a great choice. If you're looking for an easy-to-use solution compatible with most vacuum cleaners, this kit is for you. What people say. It managed to clean most of the dirt and lint that was stuck. Also, it's easy to use and the hose isn't stiff. It's quite flexible so you can clean certain spots that are out of reach. The brush size is also pretty long, so it's able to reach those spots that can be hard to clean in your dryer vent. Also, there's multiple attachments included, so if you're worried it won't fit your vacuum, no worries. There's likely an attachment for it so it fits perfectly. It fits well on my vacuum. The brush that comes with it is great, too. It really picks up the lint in my dryer. It's also easy to install and take off of my vacuum. The vacuum hose attachment fits most vacuums, though it's not compatible with Dyson or cordless vacuums, just FYI. It was super easy to assemble and use, and it helped me reach deep into the vent where all the built-up lint had collected over the years. I was able to really get in there and clean out so much gunk, which I'm sure was causing the dryer to work harder than it needed to. The flexible lint brush is great for loosening up stubborn lint before attaching the vacuum hose. It's super long and bendable, so it can get into all the hard-to-reach places behind my dryer and even behind the refrigerator. It's a great 2-in-1 tool. Number 4. Professional Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. This innovative kit makes cleaning your dryer vent quick and easy. Say goodbye to lint buildup and hello to a safer, more energy-efficient home. Unlike other kits, it's made from strong, reusable nylon, not flimsy plastic. This ensures long-lasting performance and effective lint removal. The 23 connecting rods easily screw together, extending up to 30 feet. It's perfect for vents of all shapes and sizes. Attach it to your drill for a powerful and efficient clean. Get a spotless vent in minutes, saving you time and effort. Regular cleaning prevents dangerous lint fires and reduces energy waste. This kit makes maintaining your dryer vent simple and essential. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free and experience the difference. What we like? This kit extends to an impressive 30 feet, reaching even the furthest vents. It also features a drill attachment for faster cleaning. If you need to tackle long or difficult-to-reach vents quickly and efficiently, this is the one for you. What people say. The dryer cleaning brush was able to remove about 1 cu-foot of lint from the duct with ease. I used the drill attachment to remove the most stubborn blockage at the 90-degree bend. The 16-inch extension rods are sturdy and flexible enough to bend without breakage. If you have a ridged dryer vent, this tool is excellent. You can pretty much detach at the dryer and send it right up and through to the outside in seconds, and it seems to gather everything and shoot it right outside. I didn't find any particulates sitting in the vent after that required a vacuum or much of anything really. The device is sturdy, came with plenty of extension attachments, an easy-to-use end piece to chuck in a drill. The brush was good and stiff, but appropriate for the task. The brush also didn't seem to hold on to any lint, just pushed it through. The connections are metal, and the middle of each section is a strong plastic material so it can bend. Worked best when we kept the whole assembly as straight as possible when using it. It came with electrical tape to secure the connections, however with the torque of the drill, you probably don't need this as the connections almost get locked into place. Number 3. Gardus RLE202 Linteater. Maintaining a safe home is crucial. This dryer vent cleaning kit helps keep your clothes dryer running safely and efficiently, reducing the risk of fire hazards. Cleaning your dryer vent has never been easier. Simply attach the brush to your drill and let it do the work. The included adapters make using a vacuum or dryer air simple. Say goodbye to lint buildup. Its powerful rotating brush and flexible rods reach deep into your dryer vent system for a thorough cleaning. This kit comes with everything you need: 4 3-foot rods, a blockage removal tool, vacuum and dryer adapters, a self-feeding auger brush, and a lint trap brush. Plus, a handy owner's manual. A clean dryer vent means faster drying times and lower energy bills. This kit helps you save money and time while ensuring your home's safety. The Gardus RLE202 Linteater Rotary Dryer Vent Cleaning System is your solution for a safer and more efficient clothes dryer. Get yours today. What we like. This kit's rotary brush and adapters provide thorough cleaning using your vacuum or dryer's airflow. It extends up to 12 feet. If you value a powerful, efficient cleaning method, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. It is easy to use and really does the job, without being too rough on the ducts. It makes it easy to diminish fire hazards with a regular schedule of cleaning. The quality of this product is excellent and it comes with the best manual I've ever seen for such a simple and inexpensive product. The manual clearly shows how to use the system in different situations. The vacuum adapter fits inside the 4-duct and attached to my shop vac. Virtually no dust was observed during the cleaning. Easy to assemble, good instructions on how to use and what not to do, and it worked great. Vent tube line now clear. Number 2. Holikme 40-foot dryer vent cleaner. It includes a high-quality synthetic brush head and flexible rods that extend up to 40 feet, making cleaning your dryer vent easier than ever before. This dryer vent cleaner kit can be used with or without a power drill. Simply turn the rod clockwise and move it in and out slowly for professional results. By removing lint and dust buildup in your dryer vent, duct, and exhaust port, it will improve your dryer's performance and save you energy. Instead of paying a professional $150 per cleaning, you can easily do it yourself with this kit and save money in the long run. Lint buildup is a leading cause of dryer fires. Regular cleaning with this kit helps eliminate this dangerous fire risk. What we like. This kit extends to an impressive 40 feet, making it perfect for long vents. You can use it with or without a drill. If you need a versatile and extensive cleaning solution, this is your best bet. What people say. The product does work as advertised. The plastic links are both durable and flexible, a property that I tested well with my inexpert operation. Did the job well, as shown in the pictures. It did great about loosening up lint and other stuff stuck in the vent pipe. It also cleaned the flexible dryer hose as well. 40 feet of flexible cable was enough to go through. I even seen the brush outside and that big pile of lint on the floor. The brush is pretty strong, so it will brush well. It is also the size of my vent and probably the same as yours since I have a pretty standard vent. Number 1. Sealegend 37-piece dryer vent cleaner kit. This professional cleaning kit helps you thoroughly remove lint buildup in your dryer. It includes everything you need for a complete cleaning. Easily connect the flexible rods to reach up to 33 feet. Use it with your drill, and adapters let you connect to a dryer, vacuum, or blower for powerful cleaning. This attachment easily connects to most vacuum cleaners for deep cleaning of years' worth of lint. It's a simple way to get your dryer truly clean. The extra long brush cleans lint and dust from hard-to-reach dryer gaps and exhaust ports. It's also great for cleaning refrigerator coils. Regular dryer vent cleaning prevents dangerous fires, improves dryer performance, and extends its lifespan. This kit saves you money on expensive cleaning services. The kit contains a brush, vacuum attachment, lint trap brush, adapters, gloves, and various cleaning tools. Everything you need for a thorough cleaning is included. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a wide array of tools for a thorough cleaning. The 33-foot brush tackles even the longest vents. If you want a complete solution with all the tools you could need, this is the kit for you. What people say. The 33-foot brush is long enough to reach deep into the vent, and the vacuum attachment makes cleanup effortless. The omnidirectional design ensures no lint is left behind, improving airflow and reducing the risk of fire hazards. The flexible rods make it easy to navigate through tight spaces, and the various attachments handle different types of lint and debris effectively. The brush fits easily into a standard vent, and the rods screw together easily and easily attach to a drill with the provided adapter bit, and it takes no time at all to clean out even a very overdue vent duct. The included shop vacuum attachments make cleaning up the loosened lint and getting into the area under the dryer lint trap a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.